How to make Gboard keyboard float on Android full guide. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to enable the floating keyboard on Gboard for Android. First, open any app that uses the keyboard and tap on the text field to bring up Gboard. Tap the three dots in the top right corner of the keyboard and select floating. Now you can drag the keyboard anywhere on the screen. You can also resize it by pulling on the edges. That's how you make your Gboard float on Android. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and if you are facing any further issues solving the problem, please comment below and I will help you with it. Thank you.